Hi, I am Dr. Suman Bairegowda, consultant musculoskeletal oncosurgeon at Majumdar Shah Medical Center, Narayana Health City, Bangalore.
What is bone cancer? In a healthy body, normal cell gets destroyed once their function is complete and are replaced by new functional cells regularly by the cell cycle. In cancer, some cells escape the killing mechanism and start multiplying in an uncontrolled fashion, consuming nutrition and oxygen. They keep accumulating, forming a lump called tumor, which eventually spreads to other part of the body, causing damage to different organs, mainly to lungs and other bones. What are the common bone cancers? Osteosarcoma and Ewing sarcoma, which affects children between 5 to 25 years of age. Chondrosarcoma, seen after 40 years. What are the symptoms? Common symptoms include persistent pain and swelling in the bone, which gradually increases. Less common presentation is fracture following trivial trauma. What are the causes? There is no specific cause of bone cancer, neither there are any hereditary or environmental causes. How to diagnose bone cancer? Initially, X-ray and MRI of the affected bone is advised to detect type, nature, extension of the lesion, bone quality, and its relation to structures like blood vessels and nerves of the limb. After imaging, a biopsy is mandatory to detect the type and grade of cancer because treatment of each cancer is different and specific. In biopsy, a small piece of abnormal bone is taken from a cancerous part of the bone with the help of needle and is subjected to microscopic examination by pathologist. Important things to understand about biopsy are: a simple FNAC test has no role. Biopsy is performed by trained orthopedic oncosurgeon at a bone cancer center. It's a simple daycare procedure. No major anesthesia required. Open biopsy is not advisable. Cancer does not spread by doing a simple needle biopsy. After biopsy, PET scan is obtained. PET scan scans the whole body from head to toe, and it's done once the cancer type is confirmed. To analyze the spread of the cancer to other part of the body, and it also gives information about the biological activity of the tumor. What are the treatment options? It depends upon type, grade, spread of the tumor, the part of the bone affected, and age of the patient. Bone cancers need multimodality treatment, a combination of chemotherapy, surgery, and radiotherapy. Each patient's treatment is thus planned in a multidisciplinary team meeting in the presence of surgeons, medical oncologist, radiation oncologist, radiologist, and pathologist. Treatment of osteosarcoma. It starts with 3 to 4 cycles of injectable medicine called chemotherapy to stop the spread of cancer and make surgical excision easier. Later, the affected part of the bone is removed with the surgery, followed by 3 to 4 cycles of chemotherapy. Treatment of Ewing sarcoma. It starts with chemotherapy for 9 to 12 weeks, followed by cancer removing surgery. In few cases where surgery is morbid, we provide radiotherapy followed by chemotherapy again for 4 to 5 months. Treatment of chondrosarcoma. The only treatment available in chondrosarcoma is surgery. There is no role of chemotherapy or radiotherapy. Is amputation the only answer? Earlier, an amputation was the only answer where the entire affected limb was cut and removed. With advancement in imaging techniques, treatments, and dedicated orthopedic oncosurgeons, more than 90% of patients can be treated without an amputation. Today, in limb salvage surgery, only affected part of the bone is removed with good covering of normal tissue all around, and the defect is replaced with various biological and non-biological options available. For more details on limb salvage surgery, please watch my educational video on limb salvage and reconstruction methods. After limb salvage surgery, patient can have a near normal life and perform daily activities. Is bone cancer curable? Yes. Early detection and multimodality treatment helps 60 to 80% of the patient in complete recovery. What's the take-home message here? Is that bone cancer is completely curable without amputation if diagnosed in early stage and treated at a specialized bone cancer center.